In recent times, digital skills have proven to be a valuable asset, especially as they have been integrated into the education system. For Lagos students to be 21st century compliant, digital skills have been introduced to the school's curriculum.
Whenever we used to have programs like this, we didn't just have people from the ministry. We always had teachers. Because ultimately, which one will be the one? It's you. It's not you. It's you. Who is better than in the classroom? Or in the computer lab? It's you, right? So we need to hear from you. We can't have everybody here. We just can't work. But you have been selected so that whatever it is you're starting with you, you will go back and step this down. And I want to continue this conversation. You will come back. I hope you will have expanded and then maybe we're in a different venue where we need to have more of you, where we'll continue to see how we can step this down.
At this curriculum reform workshop organized by STEAM Up Lagos, emphasis was laid on improving digital competencies using STEM skills in students.
We should make sure that our young children, the students, are getting a breadth of skills that can just really enable them to compete globally, enable them to build solutions. We're seeing so many great solutions, based around technology, right, to solve problems like, technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning, being used to solve local problems in sectors like agriculture, health, education, and so on. And so it's really important that digital skills are integrated into the curriculum.
Educationists say integrating digital skills into the curriculum will help students develop skills like critical thinking and problem solving.
Well, my own presentation really just touched on the why for this program, which is starting with curriculum reform for digital skills in particular, and ensuring that teachers are equipped with the right resources that they need to be able to transfer digital skills to the young people. And because of the kind of incredible economic opportunity that digital skills represents for Lagos State in particular.
We're working very closely with the SEC today to create a workshop with teachers and curriculum developers as well as other government officials to walk them through what we think is the future of the tech of the digital skills curriculum. How we take it to the next step in terms of preparing the students for the jobs that are coming up over the next few years.
Participants here say they would cascade the knowledge gained to their colleagues to achieve a digitally compliant curriculum.
For every workshop you attend, the first thing expected of you is to have a step-down training, whereby all that you have gathered, all that you have learned, you have to break it down to your colleagues in your respective school, such that they can also tap into what you've learned.
I have learned a lot using digital. We can digitalize our classroom, how we can explore different methods in teaching the students, most especially knowing that the Lagos State government has done very well by providing digital devices, and so we have it available in the school. Now, for me, it's to go back to the class to teach them using that device, and also to teach the teachers on how to go forward about it.
In this STEM age that we are, it's good for students to know everything they need to know to use ICT in learning. And this one will help us in a lot of ways to help students to develop critical thinking, to develop creativity, to collaborate and to communicate with every other person to help to build knowledge.